In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your sword in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So swords can actually be built at your crafting bench, and you actually unlock new swords such as the longsword when you upgrade your crafting bench. So if you look at the moment, this is just a basic level 1 crafting bench. As you can see at the moment, there is only the short sword and the recurve crossbow available. So what you're going to want to do first is upgrade your bench. To upgrade your bench, you need 8 planks of wood and 3 shells, and it tells you how to get these. So you can see planks, for example, are carved from wood. So what you need to do is build a lumber mill, chop down some trees to get some wood, and then what you can do is put your wood into the lumber mill to get the planks of wood. Next, you need the 3 shells, which is a crafting ingredient left behind by rollers. So if you go around the world, you're going to find these rollers either in the desert or the grasslands or the Arctic lands, and basically once you destroy these rollers, they're going to drop their shells, which you can use to upgrade your crafting bench. So once you have enough, you can go ahead and upgrade your crafting bench just by interacting and go into the upgrade screen. And as you can see, we've now upgraded to a level 2 crafting bench. Now by upgrading to a level 2 crafting bench, you unlock the longsword. And to build the longsword, you actually need 5 knot root rods. So you can actually get knot root from the caves. So if you go into the caves in the grassland, you're going to see some knot root in the caves. And what you can do is basically use your pickaxe to chop down the knot root, and then you can use your lumber mill to turn the knot root into knot root rods. Of course, once you've got the required materials, which is 5, you can come back to your crafting bench, which has been upgraded, and use that to build a longsword, which is a more powerful sword than the short sword. So that's how to go ahead and upgrade your sword in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.